In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock Snapchat app with a password on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to the Play Store and then just search for App Lock. That's how we can easily find the app, which is called App Lock Pro. It is free. I prefer to use that one. To install the app, we need to tap at that button. Once it's done, we can tap at Open, and on the next step, we need to configure that app. First off, we need to create a PIN code. By default, it allows us to create 6-digit PIN. However, we can select 4-digit PIN, pattern, and knock code. I'm just gonna enter a PIN, tap at Create, then I'm gonna confirm it and tap at Save. On the next step, we are prompted to give some permissions for the app. I'm gonna tap at Permit, and then we need to activate App Lock Pro. Just hit at the toggle next to it, then Permit, allow permission, OK, Permit, allow. And then the app is already configured. Here we got two lists of applications, unlocked and locked. And now, as you can see, Snapchat app is already locked. It is locked by default, and it means that if we try to open it up, it will ask us to enter a PIN we recently created to get access to that app. If you would like to lock another app that is not currently locked, you can head over to Unlocked and then just search for the app you wanna lock, let's say TikTok, and then to lock it, just tap right here at this grayed out lock icon, and TikTok will be immediately moved here to Locked. As you can see, now it is locked. In the same way, we can unlock any app just by tapping at the highlighted lock icon to remove it from locked and to add it to unlocked. We can check that now Snapchat app is no longer required to enter a password to open up the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.